So, hey guys, about number 5 on the never-ending Java Plum job. I did something stupid and I was on the way to the job site today rendering the video on my tablet, and I was making room on the SD card and I deleted all the files before the rendering was done. Needless to say, I was pretty upset. I apologize for the misleading title and picture. So it's probably going to jump to number 6, and then the rest of them, which is number 7 and 8, because we're still on that job. We got a couple more days left, probably. Hopefully Thursday will be the last day. Anyways, again, I apologize. It's a lot to do. I fucked up, okay? I'm sorry. Just don't be mad at me. Don't unsubscribe or anything. I love all you guys. So be cool, just be understanding, okay? I don't wanna let nobody down, but I actually let myself down a lot. I was pretty perturbed this morning, actually. Anyways, hope you enjoy number 6. I'm gonna start working on them now. I've been dealing with personal shit in my life lately, so I've been slacking on the posting. Anyways, haven't even taken a shower yet. I'm still in my work pants and shit. It's 6 at night, 6:30. So, anyways, you guys have a nice night. Again, I'm sorry about the video and the footage. I think it was probably some of the best footage of the job, in my opinion. I mean, the most irritating. I was not. It was hot and I was tired. Anyways, take it easy. You get the drift. I'm irritated about that. Have a good night, boys. And the one lady that's subscribed, I don't know.